A Cleo advance gets denied mainly because your account doesn't meet eligibility requirements, your income pattern isn't stable enough, or Cleo hasn't built enough activity history to trust repayment. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your advance is being denied, how to check your eligibility inside Cleo, and what actually improves your chances of getting approved. Start by opening the Cleo app and going to the Advance section. If you see a denial message, it means the system has already checked your account data and decided you don't qualify right now. Next, check your income connections inside the app. Cleo relies heavily on linked bank activity and consistent deposits to determine if you can repay in advance. If your income isn't being detected correctly, approval will usually fail automatically. Next, look at your bank transaction history connected to Cleo. Low activity, irregular deposits, or missing paycheck data can all reduce eligibility. If your account is new, that alone can be a major reason for denial. Cleo typically needs time to build a spending and income pattern before approving advances. Now check if your direct deposits are actually going into the bank account linked to Cleo. If your paycheck is going into another account, Cleo won't count it toward eligibility. Next, review any notifications or messages inside the app. Cleo sometimes tells you what's missing, like insufficient activity or unsupported income patterns. Make sure your app is fully updated. An outdated version can delay eligibility updates or show incorrect denial status. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refresh can update your account data and reevaluate eligibility in some cases. If you recently changed jobs, banks, or payroll timing, your eligibility may temporarily reset while Cleo recalculates your income stability. In that situation, consistent deposits over time usually restore access automatically. Avoid repeatedly requesting advances after a denial. Multiple attempts don't improve approval and can keep you stuck in the same eligibility loop. If nothing changes, check your linked bank connection and reconnect it if needed. A broken or incomplete sync can block income verification completely. If you still can't get approved, contact Cleo support and share your account email and denial message. To sum it up, check your income deposits, confirm your bank connection, review eligibility messages, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building consistent account activity before trying again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cleo tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.